welcome back to the vlog. Today we are in Venice, Florida, and we're checking out some birds and some wildlife today. Hopefully we'll also spend some time in some national parks and some state parks here that are supposedly pretty interesting. So we're gonna give them a shot, and hopefully you'll get some nice footage of some birds and some gators today.
So we are spending the afternoon out of the heat, and we're at the Moat Research and Aquarium facility here in Sarasota.
I think it's technically
I think it's technically Sarasota. So we're going around and seeing all the fish and stuff. Oh my gosh! Look at the cuttlefish. He's so cute.
Focus on our loggerhead sea turtles. So we have our two ladies here. They are half sisters, and they were actually hatched at the University of North Carolina. So they were part of a study of how these turtles grow and develop way back in the day. Scientists didn't know a whole lot about how these guys grow, so that was why they were part of that research. And so because of that reason, they were born in human care. They are also really desensitized to humans. So they were deemed non-releasable, and they do have a permanent home here at Moat. Now you'll see Michelle is trying to get Montego's attention here, so she's kind of dipping that station into the water. So you'll notice it has a blue triangle on that. That is specifically Montego's station. So Shelly actually knows that it's not her turn to feed, but she's just wanting attention anyway. She does come up to us sometimes for back scratches, as you can see Michelle giving her some back rubs there. And Shelly does like to try to vie for attention a little bit here. The reason that we're not feeding Shelly at the same time would be our sea turtles actually go through a seasonal pattern. Where even if we offer Shelly food right now, she just spits it out. She's actually not very hungry at all. Being cold-blooded, they don't maintain that temperature, so they don't need to eat quite as often as we do. And the same is true of our alligator, our American alligator. You'll notice that Michelle also has a clicker in her hand. Yes, that is just like a dog clicker that you may use to train if you have a dog, cat, or even birds at home.
So today we are headed home today, but first we decided to stop at the Robinson Preserve outside of Sarasota, and we've just been walking a little bit. It's a little hot today, but it's kind of our fault for going in the middle of the day. So.